Still, Omicron is top of mind as we head into the holidays, but there's some good news, and that's that the two COVID pill treatments have been authorized now by the FDA. So joining us now is Dr. Sarah Crawford from Southern Connecticut State University to talk about this. And Dr. Crawford, we appreciate your time. Thank you. I want to ask you first, how do you believe these new medications will impact how we deal with COVID-19?
Well, I think they're game changers. It's a very exciting development because particularly the Pfizer is designed to work against viruses in general that use certain proteases in order to become infectious. So this drug has shown a lot of success in, similar drugs have shown a lot of success in treating patients with HIV. And this form of the drug looks like it's extremely potent against various strains of coronaviruses. Despite their origin in terms of the spike, the medication seems to work effectively. So it's a very exciting development, especially since now we're battling the Omicron variant.
There's a distinction here. I think it's very important for people to understand. These pills are designed to treat coronavirus in people who have been infected with it, who have tested positive for it. And you just said you believe that, again, once people are infected with this pill is prescribed, you expect both to be very effective against the virus.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, it's the first real treatment that you can take at home that should be widely available and that is showing extremely good results in clinical trials. So it's a very exciting development to treat patients early on before they develop severe signs of COVID infection. So I think we really should be celebrating that at this holiday season.
Right now we see Omicron spreading faster than Delta, but this may not be the last one. Should we worry about variants coming after Omicron?
I think we have to be concerned that as long as we have a rapidly infectious virus spreading at very high rates through a population, that other variants could emerge. That's where Omicron came from to begin with. So we have to be as vigilant as possible in preventing the spread, using these tests as much as we can, as soon as they're available, and masking and doing everything possible besides vaccination, which of course is critical to prevent the spread, because the more the virus spreads, the greater the likelihood that further mutants can arise.
So how likely is it moving forward that we will have to have another kind of booster for each new variant that shows up? Or do we just need to devise treatments and vaccines that will treat all of these variants?
Well, ideally, we would like to have a vaccine that is bulletproof in terms of sensitivity against all the different variants. And it looks like the United States Army is coming up with just that. They have some data that they'll be releasing soon on a clinical trial of a protein-based vaccine, which is sort of one that you can connect all different viral antigens to very easily in order to manipulate the vaccine against any particular variant. So it looks like it could be a very good broad spectrum vaccine for the treatment of all kinds of variants of COVID. So that's our best hope at this point, to eliminating the pandemic, as well as not having to worry about constantly trying to reinvent the vaccine profile in order to treat the latest variant that's circulating.
It does sound like that would be an exciting development. Dr. Sarah Crawford from Southern Connecticut State University, thanks for joining us tonight.
Thank you so much.